Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Nordica, the Rosetta. So the Rosetta is actually going to be the smallest of the cookers in the Nordica line. So we have 3 different models on display. This is going to be the Maiolica model right here. So this color is going to be shown in the Tatora, which is kind of like a beige coffee color. So the Maiolica is going to be a ceramic porcelain tile. They do have the Rosetta Liberty model available as well, which has a slightly different pattern on the tile. And then finally, we do have the Rosetta available in the soapstone finish. So again, this is going to be the smallest model in the Nordica line. It's approximately about 32 inches wide, so pretty small. I will show you guys inside the firebox. So the Rosetta does have a fairly small firebox, but you should be able to get probably somewhere between a 6 to an 8 hour burn time out of this particular model. Your glass door is going to be fully gasketed. Inside the firebox, you do have a cast iron grate to stop the log from falling forward into the glass. The firebox is going to be completely cast iron lined. You do have one damper control here located at the top. This is going to be your primary air control, which is also going to be your air wash. This is what keeps your glass burning clean. Your oven damper is going to be located directly above the oven. Inside the oven, again, the oven door is going to be fully gasketed. On this particular model, they don't give you an actual oven rack. So this is going to be an enamel pan that slides out. The finish of the oven is going to be a porcelain enamel finish on the oven. So I do like that. Below the firebox is going to be your ash pan. Pretty decent size on the ash pan here. You do also have damper control here located underneath. So this is actually what would be known as your primary air control. So having a primary air control is going to bring the combustion air in from underneath the firebox. You definitely want to have this open when you're starting your fire because it's going to make it very easy to get the fire started. Below the firebox, you do have just a pan storage. You can put pans in here. You could also put kindling in here as well. So the Rosetta model is going to have the flue on the right-hand side of the stove when facing the front. And then you do have removable rings on the cooktop as well. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you do enjoy our videos, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to click subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.